Hey, what's up guys, Fahad Zaman here. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer all WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android easily. If you have switched to a new phone or want to transfer your WhatsApp messages from one phone to another, this video will help you. Download the Mobile Trans software on your computer. The download link of this software is available in the video description. But before we move on, let me tell you that they have also organized a giveaway and you can win a new Android phone. Click on join now. A link of the giveaway page is also available in the video description. To enter the new Android phone giveaway, vote your favorite phone in 2020 and enter your email. And click on enter. You can maximize your chance of winning if you share this giveaway with the hashtag MobileTransGiveaway on Facebook or Twitter. The giveaway will end on November 18, 2020 and the winner will be announced on Mobile Trans Facebook fan page and notified by email. So participate in this giveaway and best of luck to all of you. And one more thing, you can use this coupon code to get 20% off for all products. So after installation, launch the software and select WhatsApp transfer module. You can transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android. It also supports WhatsApp Business, Line, Viber, Kik and WeChat as well. Here are two ways to transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another. First method is to transfer WhatsApp messages from phone to phone and the second method is take backup WhatsApp messages to computer. Once you have backed up, you can either restore to iOS device or in Android device. So let's start with the first method. Select transfer WhatsApp messages. Connect both of your phones to the PC. The WhatsApp messages will transfer from source phone to destination 1. Make sure the position of source and destination are correct. If not, click flip to change the position. Then click start. Here it will ask you to follow the simple steps. Just follow the on-screen instructions and click on next. Now wait until WhatsApp transfer completes. If there is a large amount of WhatsApp data on your phone, it will take some time to complete the process. Then you need to enable WhatsApp storage permission and activate the WhatsApp on the target phone. Ensure the cables are connected during WhatsApp transfer. In a while, the transfer will be complete. Now the process has completed successfully. Second method is to take backup WhatsApp messages from phone to PC and then restore. Select backup WhatsApp messages. Connect your phone to the PC to start the backup WhatsApp messages from phone to PC and click start. Keep your phone connected to the PC during WhatsApp backup. Wait until the backup is complete and you can find all the processes are marked 100%. By clicking view it, you can find that your WhatsApp backup record exists on your PC. Once you have backed up your WhatsApp data to PC, you can restore WhatsApp backup to your Android or iPhone. Click restore to device, connect your phone to the PC. Then select the WhatsApp backup files and click start. Here it may take few minutes. After each restoring process is complete, you can find all WhatsApp backup are restored to your new phone. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.